Oh, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Max 1 Inside Out. Welcome to the Av. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the orange box. Across the top, you have the large Nike logo with the swoosh. Along the sides, you have that same logo, just in the smaller font. So you have the Nike logos going all around the box. Everybody already familiar with that, but here's the tag. We have the Nike Air Max 1 Premium SE, also known as Inside Out. Let's take a look at it. Here it is, the Nike Air Max 1 Inside Out. Now these retail for $130. I'm more than sure they're already out. I'm a little late with the review, but it is what it is. Now you can see on the back, you have the inverted Nike Air on the back. Here's a look at your medial side. Well, you know what? Look, we just gonna go around the shoe, man, and then we're gonna get into details of what we see with the shoe, like I usually do, man. You know, but me, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Think it's hot. Think it kind of flew under the radar, but y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. But let's check it out, man. Now, under the bottom, you see you have the white and the gum outsole. Here's a look from the side. See, you have your mesh in the middle. You got your red air bubble. You got your hits of brown and white. There's your inverted Nike Air on the back. Here's your medial side. You can see that mesh in the middle. Got that inside out look. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. Here's your tongue with that size tag on the outside. I think that's a nice little touch. Keep going on with the inside out theme. Got the bold red laces. I think it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. Now let's take a look at the other shoe. As far as the aesthetics go, man, everything is the same between the two shoes. There's no difference between the two. You can see you have the little flaps. Again, following the inside out theme. You know what I mean? If y'all not familiar with the inside out, what it means is this is how the shoe would look on the inside. They put it on the outside. Yeah. But anyway, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. Here's a look at that inverted Nike Air again on the back. Here's your look from the side. Here's your look at your insole. You got that brown or tan, the white Nike Air. It's a nice touch, man. You see the red stitching all throughout, matching the red laces. There's a closer look at the size tag that's on the outside of the tongue this time. It's nice, man. Again, there's your red stitching. I'm feeling it, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about these, man. If you're feeling them or not. Easy pass. You see your suede going around the toe. It's nice, man. It's a well put together shoe. They thought this out nice. I think the end product came out nice. I like to see some more colors. Now, I heard they have another colorway, but I haven't seen it yet. So here's a look at both heels with that inverted Nike Air on the back. Anyway, I think it's a dope shoe, man. What y'all think about it, man? Like, I'm looking forward to seeing some of the other colorways that they have coming out. If they're going to continue to do this, should be nice. You know, the way that they put these materials and everything together on the shoe, man, I think that's real hot. Adds a little bit of story to the sneakers, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man. You feeling them or not? You want to go pick them up? Whatever the case is, man. So that was my look at the Nike Air Max 1 Inside Out. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.